Python program to print the sum of each digit using while loop. First, n equal to int input, enter a number. Then while n greater than 0, while n greater than 0, while n greater than 0 colon, while n greater than 0, find the first digit. First digit is a remainder. When you divide by 10, the remainder is the first digit, unit digit. So write remainder for remainder r. R equal to n modulus 10. N modulus 10 is the last digit, that is your unit digit. R equal to n modulus 10. This is your last digit, that is unit digit. Then s equal to s plus r to find sum of each digit. Comment to find sum of each digit, and this one comment is each digit. This comment is each digit. Now value of s should be 0. Initial value of s should be 0. So here write s equal to 0. Then s equal to s plus r, that means s is the variable where it will store the addition of each digit. Next, n equal to n floor division. N equal to n floor division 10. That means it will find the quotient part. Quotient part. Quotient part means if your if this is your number, if n equal to 2, 3, 5, then your then r equal to how much? 5, and n equal to 3, 4, 2, 3. Here is 2, 3. If n equal to 235, then r is the last digit, remainder 5, and n is 23, quotient part. When we divide the number by 10, the quotient part is floor division, and remainder part, this is remainder part, is the divided by 10, the remainder is last digit. Now it will find the sum of each digit up to n greater than 0. When n greater till n greater than 0, it will find the sum of each digit. When n equal to 0, it will stop the loop. Now back, print sum of each digit equal to sum of each digit equal to double quote close comma s. Save, then run. Save, run. See, this is the output screen. Enter number. Let the number is here 235. Then sum of each digit is 10. 2 plus 3 8, 8 plus 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 10.